Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. You want an employment-based visa for the green card, and you're wondering if it should be EB-2, which is employment-based preference number 2, or EB-3, employment-based preference number 3. Well, first things first, you have to see if you qualify for EB-2 to even think about whether or not you should choose that particular category. So in that category, you're going to need a master's degree in order to accept the job, and the job is going to have to require the use of that master's degree. So a couple things. Why would you pick EB-2 over EB-3? Well, one, you have to look at the priority dates, okay? And you have to analyze what country you're from and how long you would have to wait. There are some countries where an EB-2 will take much less time as far as visa waiting than an EB-3. There are other countries where it is actually the opposite. Like, for example, in India, there's been times where there's so many educated people, highly educated people that come over on EB-2 that it takes longer than an EB-3. And in that case, you would want to have an EB-3 instead of an EB-2. The EB-3 requires the use of a college degree or 2 years' experience in the particular job. Now, another thing you have to take into consideration is the salary. The reality is that if you get an EB-2 job, which requires the use of a master's, clearly the salary will be quite a bit higher than an EB-3. The employer may not be willing to pay that amount to you. And if that's the case, then it doesn't matter how fast it's going to get here. It won't get here at all because you won't be petitioned. So if the salary is an issue, then you just need to do an EB-3 and take that particular position based solely on having a bachelor's degree or 2 years experience, okay, or a combination. That's how that would work. So that, in essence, is the breakdown of whether you pick EB-2 or EB-3. Okay.